Did your sister turn off the lights? There they are.
Hi. Hi, Peter. Are you going to try to crawl? Are you going to try to crawl? Maybe we can get you pulling up for the first time on video.
Is Mama trying to steal your camera time?
Yes.
Look at me!
Let's see if you can Is that a no? Is that a no? Go, Peter, go! Go, Peter, go! Almost there, bud. Natalie, can you turn the light on? Okay, you can't do it. Okay, Mommy will help you. There you go. Oh, I did it, Dad. I did it. Oh, I'm undressing myself. Natalie, sweetheart, leave the light on. Yeah, please turn it back on.
Good job.
Good job. Good job. Okay, come over here. Let's play with Peter.
Put your light on too.
Yeah, no, let's just leave the lights as they are, okay?
No. No.
Come show Peter how to make some tea in the kitchen.
Oh, we just got spit up on video.
Light on.
Yeah.
Put your light on. Put your light on too.
No, turn that one off, please.
Put it on.
Say hi to Dada. Hi, Dada. Hi, Dada. Can you say da 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 da? Da 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 da. Mwah.
Put lights on. Put lights on.
Thank you. Thank you.
Put your lights on. Turn your lights off. Turn your lights off.
Say hi, Dada. Hi, Dada. Hey, Natalie, you want to come over here and say hello to Daddy?
No.
What does he have out? The video camera?
Yeah.
Do you have your purple fleece on?
Yeah.
Is that your favorite coat? Yeah, Peter, what do you think? He bounces like this. I don't even know holding him. How's the lighting?
We'll see.
Okay, Peter, sit down for a minute.
Turn lights off. Get some more toys out. Get some more toys out.
I'm getting a puzzle out.
Yeah. Get some more toys out.